Okay, in the snow and ice melt business, mostly you have snow, but on rare occasions you end up with rain in a snowstorm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little demo here. As you can see, this driveway, which happens to be my personal driveway, has a bit of a slope over here, which is going to be very slippery, and then it pans out. And one of the main problems I've got here is drippage. So this is very common during extreme winter weather experiences. One of the things that I want to show you now, if I can, is the product. When you get to situations like this, you can see I've already pre-treated some areas, but when you get to a situation like this, you've got to use a snow and ice melter. Now this is the one that I use, that I blend up for just economy, and I'm using it here today. I can make this up to 40%, but 40% meaning the little teeny white pellets, which is calcium chloride. What I'm doing with this is I take it out. I've done a little pre-treated here, but what you do, believe me, folks, getting through this is impossible. We're talking about maybe an inch to an inch and a half. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to broadcast it, just throw it out like that, and I'm going to continue this motion for a few moments. And while I do that, I'm going to find a place to set the camera down and continue filming, if it's at all possible. And then I want to show you how it works, the effectiveness of it. So, well, okay, best of luck. I'm on the tailgate of the car here. Hope that works. Not going to work, and I really don't want to take a chance, but I think it's well worth watching. Okay. Bear with. See, now if I had my little helper out here, I wouldn't be dealing with this. You know what? Instead of, at the risk of getting terrible footage, I'm just going to do this on my own, because that's how I am. I do this on my own all the time anyways. So broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. I'm going to go real far that time. You see that? Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Okay, now, for what I'm doing right now, I want to show you what the scientific experiment with ice melt is. All of this is very thick. You can hear my walking. Okay, this has been treated for about 5 minutes. The reason why you can hear this noise is because the pellets, the little pellets that we have in our ice melter, calcium chloride and some specific stuff, has a really nice little kind of a Cadillac product in it. And what it does is it makes those little beads. It gets hot. It actually steams up and gets hot. So I let that sit for a few moments. Now when I say that, I don't want it to refreeze, because that would mean I would have to start all over. But you see how the surface is starting to break up, and we're starting to see some help here? Okay, that's what you're going to want to see. You're going to want to see that the surface is breaking up, and I can tell that the temperatures are getting a little bit warmer because I can see some ice flow up here. So right now what I want to do is I want to show you what it looks like to break it up. So I'm going to go to part 2.